Working the whisker pig fishing. We are fishing for hybrids today, and we actually done hit some blue catfish. Come along, let's see which one's gonna win out. Hybrid, kitty cats. Well guys, we're just getting thrown out this morning. See what we're gonna get today. I think this ought to be a fairly decent trip. We're trying to catch some hybrids today. Oh, there we go, getting hit already. Ain't nothing like a good quick bite. Let's see what we got here. Pulling on it, whatever it is. Pulling on it. Yeah, this is on a float right here. I believe it's a catfish. I don't know how many of these lines we're gonna get across, but I believe it's a catfish. I think we're gonna actually reel him up through all that stuff. That'll be amazing now. Yep, it's a channel cat. Man, the wind's blowing so hard, I can't hardly even get the net out. I mean, it's whipping, boys. That's why we up in here, because there's 4-foot whitecaps out there on the main part. That's a channeler. Missed him. Got him that time. Got him that time. That dude beat a piece of brim head. Uh-oh, the anchor just let go up there. Anchor let us go. This is a hard spot to set right here. You got a lot of current and a lot of wind all at the same time. All right, there we go, fellas. Channel. Some broke us off anchor. We're going to have to reel it up and try again. Alright, we'll hook one that time. Let's see what we got. Let's see what's up here. Whatever it is, it's going where it wants to go. Let's see what we got now. Hybrid. Hybrid. I believe it's a catfish too. If it's a hybrid, it's a friggin' big one. I got to figure out how to get this catfish out of this net right here. I'm pretty sure we about to need it again. About to need it again. Let's see what he's gonna look like. Gonna look like a blue cat. I'm gonna have to just hang him right here, let him loose for a minute. If I can get him in the holder. Yeah, we leave him walking around now. This sucker here is tangled up in the net some kind of way. Alright, got that guy out. Let's get this other guy in here. Come on, make a swing back on over here, guy. Yeah, I started not to even come out because of the wind. Thought I'd come over here and fish for these hybrids for a little while, but we'll take some catfish, I ain't. I ain't against it. Alright, folks. There we are. We're gonna chunk this guy back over in. Look at, he got bite marks all over him. Alright, my friend. There's his little counterpart. He ain't bit up so bad. He's got a line mark on him. Alright, buddy. Yeah, I came over here to fish for these spawning hybrids, and they up in here heavy duty, man. They popping the top of the water everywhere. Just got to get a tackle set up for them and see what we can get with them. Oh man, that dude pull off. That's a real fish on a real hook there. That dude pulled right off. Like there wasn't nothing to it. We got to get rid of this float, man. It ain't helping us none. Doing nothing but screwing us up. I think this had a piece of brim on it. Had a piece of brim on it. Oh, he had the float. Look, I had the cork. All right, guys, let's see can we hook this dude. Oh yeah, I think we got this one. I think we got him. That sucker come off too. I don't know what's going on now. I think this is a small hook. We're about to do away with him. Yep. These little small hooks and stuff got to go. Let's see can we get this one. See can we get this guy. I think we got him this time. I see him flopping out there. See him flopping around. Then got like 4 bites right here and ain't hooked one up. Well, I ain't got one in. We done hooked a couple of them. I still had that hybrid stuff on. We got the right size equipment now. That's a little bitty guy, man. Let's see, can we just flip him up in here? Guy hit a piece of brim. Let's see if we can whip him up in here. There we go. Yeah. Yep. That'll be man in. We thank you, sir. Man, that dude pulling drag. He's gone with it. He's leaving with it so good. He just smoked the drag off the hit. Smoked the drag off the hit. Alright, let's see if we can get him out of here. I see him flopping around out yonder. Pretty fish, man. Not one of them super round boys. He ain't caught on yet that when he gets fat he can't get out. He still looks over there at the gym when he rides by. Alright, let's pull this guy up in. That's a nice looking little guy, ain't it? Yeah, I was laughing. I got a friend that keeps telling me to come to the gym with him, and I tell him I drive by his house every day. And there that bad boy is. This kind of tells me that that other rod right there is covered in grass. Something down in the mud, something's going on with it. It ain't working. It's right out there with that one. There that bad dude is. We think it's so. We appreciate it, man. Yep, about to have to hit the road here. I'm gonna fish about 10 more minutes. I'm gonna have to go. Like he's got it. Man, there's a load of fish up here. We're gonna have to leave though. I got stuff I got to go do. Trying to take my hat off again. Got it when I first got here. Come over here for hybrids and we didn't get no hybrids. Got one. I'm gonna try to flip him. We're gonna go here. Alright, let's see, can we grab this guy up here? Come on in here, big dog. There he is. And if somebody else don't bite, that's gonna be our last one. Come for hybrid, got catfish. I've had many worse problems in my life. How about y'all? Well, I think he's wanting to take it with him. There he is. Last little one, man. I'd like to thank you for joining me here on Whisker Pig Fishing today. We had an interesting day, man. The wind's been blowing for about 4 or 5 days now, and I thought I'd come over this afternoon and try to hit these hybrids. They up in there, but the catfish is what bit. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Whisker Pig Fishing, and as always, you guys have a great day, and God bless. We thank you, sir. Woo, we having fun.